The content provided is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial, investments, or legal advice. Cryptocurrency, trading, and investing carry significant risks. Always perform your own research DYOR and seek advice from a licensed financial professional before making any financial decisions. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and the opinions shared here are personal and not meant to guide any financial actions.
Yo, what's up, Cryptonautics here? Welcome back again here in our new video. So today we are going to discuss on how to trade trending stock gold in Bybit. What's the advantages of trading stock tokens and also the TradeFi fees. So, did you know you can trade stock like Tesla or even gold without actually owning them? So today I'll show you how it works on Bybit and why more traders are switching to stock tokens. So una, click lang natin tong market. So, mapupunta tayo dito. Meron sila ditong favorite spots, derivatives, TradFi, newly listed. So, let's click the TradFi. So, as you can see here, pwede natin mag-trade tayo ng metal, stock, indices, forex, or commodities. Dito sa metals, makikita natin yung gold US dollar o yung gold, kahit na anong gold tokens dito, no? Pwede natin i-click itong trade. Once na maklik natin yun, mapupunta tayo doon sa trading nila. So, click lang natin. Punta ulit tayo doon sa TradFi, metals, and then trade. Okay. So now, andito na tayo, no? Okay. Makikita natin yung naging, presyo nung nakaraan nitong si XAUUSD, gold, US dollar. Pwede tayo dito mag-buy and sell nga pala. And then, pwede din tayo dito gumamit ng tools for technical analysis. So, we need to predict the price kung tataas ba siya o bababa, no? Pero kung yung gusto mo naman na stock tokens, yung ite-trade mo, pwede din dito. So, katulad sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, may Tesla, Intel, Nvidia, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Exxon, Netflix, McDonald's. Okay? So, let's trade this McDonald's. Let's click this trade. And then, click this acknowledge, confirm. So, nandito na ulit tayo. So, makikita natin dito at malalaman natin yung mga previous price nitong si ORCL, no? Nasa Oracle Corporation pala tayo. So, yan. Pwede tayo gumamit ng tools para sa technical analysis. And yung current price niya is 139. So, pwede tayo mag-buy and sell din dito. Pwede tayo mag-buy sa current price or mag-sell sa current price. So, yung pagsa-sign up dito, madali lang din. At may application sila dito na pwede natin i-download at gamitin sa ating mga mobile phone. Okay? So, on Bybit, you're not limited to crypto. You can also trade stock tokens like Tesla, Apple, and Amazon, gold, XAU, USD, other trading global assets. So, these are called derivatives, meaning you trade based on price movement, not actual ownership, guys. So, gold, also known as XAUUSD, ito siya, is one of the most popular assets in the world, no? Traders love gold because it's stable during market uncertainty. It reacts to global news and inflations. It's great for both short-term and long-term trades. So on Bybit, you can go long. You can go long if you think price will go up, or short if you think it will go down. Stock tokens let you trade the price of real-world companies like Tesla, Apple, and Amazon. So ito yung stock, no? But here's the difference: you don't actually own the shares. Instead, you're trading the price movements through contracts. Okay? So here's why many traders prefer stock tokens on Bybit. So trade anytime. So unlike traditional stock markets, you can trade almost 24/7. So no need for huge capital. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Just a small amount you can get you in. So leverage trading din, no? You can amplify your position using leverage, but remember, this also increases risk. So go long for short. Okay? And then So go long for or short, you can profit whether the market goes up or go down. Okay. Then all in one platform, you can trade crypto, gold, and stocks all in one place. Dito lang yan sa Bybit, guys. So what is the importance or advantages of is trading stocks on Bybit? Let's discuss, guys. So traders favorites like AAPL, Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, Explore 78 artists global stock on Bybit. So TradFi with your USDT, no fiat conversions needed, trading fees of 0.04 USDT per share. Apply with minimum charge of 5 USDT per order for a limited time only. Enjoy 50% of trading fees. Napakaganda mag-trade ngayon kasi meron din silang 50% of trading fees. So what is Bybit TradFi? So pwede natin malaman dito. How to use Bybit TradFi, MetaTrader 5, Bybit TradFi Demo Trading, meron din. Okay, ito yung mga articles na pwede natin makita o matingnan at mabasa para mas marami pang information about dito kay Bybit tayong malaman. How to trade global stock on Bybit, pwede din natin i-click. Global stock market analysis, nandito din yung mga informations na kailangan natin. So yung stock versus crypto, key difference. So crypto versus stocks, which is better for investing. So ano nga ba mas maganda? So para sa akin, mas maganda yung stock kasi ito yung mas nauna kaysa sa crypto. So bago pa ilabas itong si crypto is meron na tayong mga stocks market na tinatawag. And then yun, mas kumbaga kilalang kilala na siya sa market kapag stocks yung tinutukoy sa pag-invest. The limited time trading fee discounts, so trade stock, so meron siyang expiration date, trade stocks, CFDs, and get 50% off trading fees. So from June 2 to June 5, simply create a Bybit TradFi account and trade global stock CFDs on Bybit TradFi to enjoy 50% off all trading fees, no registration required. So, yun, sa June 2, 2025, June 5, ito, pero dito, 50% off trading fees pala siya. Napakalaki. Ayan, so gold, forex, commodity stocks, yan yung mga pwede natin trade, guys. Dito kay Bybit. Right? At dito, no? Punta tayo dito kay Tesla. So, let's trade Tesla tokens. Acknowledge, confirm. So, we can see here the price is going down. Okay. We can buy here in current price and also sell in current price. And also, we can use to buy or to long or to short trading. Okay? So trading is powerful, but it comes with risk. Always manage your capital and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So here in Bybit, all-in-one platform na siya. You can trade crypto, gold, and stock all in one place. So today's highs is 377 and today's lows is 359. So makikita natin naging negative siya. Ibig sabihin bumaba siya. Yan, bumaba siya. Makikita naman natin pababa yung price. Okay, itong si Tesla. Pero in the future, maybe kung mag-invest ka ngayon, no? Pwede yan tumaas. Okay? Katulad nito. Pagbagsak niya dito, tumaas naman siya. So, ganun, maglaro yung price. At ang kagandahan kapag magte-trade tayo ng stock is hindi sa volatile unlike sa cryptocurrency. Masyadong volatile, masyadong magalaw yung presyo. Unlike dito kay stock market or gold, hindi siya magalaw, no?